The weak breeze whispers nothing. The water screams sublime. His feet shift, teeter-totter. Deep breath, stand back, it's time. Toes untouch the overpass, soon he's water-bound. Eyes locked shut but peek to see the view from halfway down. You're flying now. You see things much more clear than from the ground. It's all okay. Or it would be, were you not now halfway down. But this is it. The deed is done. Silence drowns the sound. Before I leaped, I should have seen the view from halfway down.
Nothing is wrong with you. You are fine.
Tell me how all this, and love too, will ruin us.
Queen cry. It's been hard.
What is a knight if not a chained dog?
Stories that you keep inside your head. She can't keep them all safe. They will die and be afraid. Mother, tell me, so I say. Mother, tell me, so I say. Happy, hey, where have you buried all your children? Tell me, so I say. Happy, hey, where have you buried all your children? Tell me, so I say. Tell me, so I say.
Bro, I am like completely disconnected from reality right now. Bats have the highest rate of homosexuality amongst all mammals, which is why vampires are gay as fuck.
Once I finish killing
all vampires,
the cycle of violence will be over.
Daddy and mommy issues.
Wild woman don't get the blues, but I find that lately I've been crying like a tall child. So please hurry, leave me, I can't breathe. Please don't say you love me.
Autism be damn, my boy can... What is my boy doing? Stop that boy. You will line the floor and have wretched visions like God intended.
You are tired, I think.
I just remembered a traumatizing experience in my past. Hang on, I have to stim and I'll feel better.
Characters who are absolutely convinced down to their bones that they are unlovable, being subjected to the mortifying ideal of being wholly and unconditionally loved.
And all I can do is stand on the curb and say sorry about the blood in your mouth. I wish it was mine. I couldn't get the boy to kill me.
Your friends hating you is a lie pushed by big trauma. Don't believe it.
I thought maybe you could love me like you used to. Even though I'm different. But you changed too. So, here's to the new us.
We're doomed. We're not. Are you sure?
She was a playboy, Bridget Bardot. She showed me things I didn't know. She did it right there, out on the deck. Put her canine teeth in the side of my neck.
I say I like tragedies and everyone's all like, why do you like sad stories? Are you depressed? And never, how's the catharsis? Was the catharsis fun?